The silence, the isolation, the tension, and the constant feeling of someone or some people watching you. It's really scary. Once again, we are back in the jungle. And if you haven't watched part 1, I will highly recommend you to watch it. The split roads that leads you to nowhere. And the abyss of the jungle. It feels like you are stuck in a horror movie. And it doesn't have an ending at all. For the first time, I'm exploring a jungle like this. But I have been into the woods many times in other places, but not like this. So I'm trying to hold my camera as stable as possible, and so just some minutes ago there's a truck, carrying heavy stuff. There are multiple roads. Wait, there are tracks of, heavy loads going through these roadways. So I have really tiny amount. Someone was coughing. We heard that. But I feel really sad. I feel really sad, not exploring this place properly. Next time I will just, bring like a terabyte storage, and then I'll shoot this place for sure. And yep. Sorry, this place looks really dark. I can't, it will overexpose the image, but we have a really tiny amount of time. Let's go over that side. And then I saw something that I wasn't ready for to see. It's a big place, endless really. I will show you, some shots. I mean, how big this place is, looks in the Google map. I mean, it's amazing. Wow. Jeez. What? Yeah, my friend just saying that be careful, there are, foxes. So I should be careful. Whoa, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? What the hell? This looks scary. Whoa. I never saw anything with my own eyes. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I mean, it's getting dark and I can't, my low life capability on this camera is not that impressive, but I wish I could, get. I wonder what tree is that? And does this kind of, it went to so many other trees. What the hell? Wow. I mean, you will see so many other things when you go this kind of, places. I can already see, the grains, but in my camera. So, yeah. He's on a cycle, I believe. Yep. Yeah, he's on a cycle. That was crazy. Yeah, you're running with a cycle, and of course, there's my friend, and he's waiting for me to start creeping around. Yeah, there's another road, but I'm sure that the deeper we go, we will see many things, but oh, I mean, this is really absolutely crazy. I mean, what kind of thing is that? It's insane. It's like the tree came alive or something happened. It went crazy or something folded it like a rubber. I didn't know nature can, go that's insane. Unfortunately, we arrived there in 5 p.m. and we had only 30 minutes before the sun goes down, and it was becoming dark. And the cold, bone chilling feeling in that jungle. It was unexplainable. And the things I just saw in there, that feels like something out of the Scorn game. And for sure, we would have found more things like that if we were able to go deeper. But unfortunately, we didn't have any time left. But it is what it is. We said that we will visit this place once again in the deeper, sometimes very soon. But it was a crazy experience for me and my friend, because we don't often visit a place like this. Sometimes it's not safe for anyone to visit this place all by themselves. It is good to visit this kind of places with your friends, because sometimes some humans are more disturbing and scarier than the ghost that chases you. Sometimes you think, who is more lunatic? It's really mysterious that what is this jungle hiding inside? But when you look at it, you get the answer. Sometimes the silence scares you a little bit more. And this labyrinth. Even though we were pretty close by, compare how big this jungle is. We were walking like for 30 minutes to get in that place, and no vehicles and drivers were agreed to come here. So once again, I will come back with more videos like this in future. Until then, stay tuned and get terrified. And subscribe for more videos.